Good day and welcome back. Now today's video tutorial is going to be a quick and easy one for a Tallow Baby Barrier cream. You are welcome to swap out the tallow for shea butter if you want to make a vegan version. So yes, the first ingredient that we're going to use is tallow, 55%. Which is anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and soothes the skin. It's just awesome. It just hydrates, heals, and protects. So I just love tallow. Now the next ingredient is going to be castor oil. Now castor oil, we're going to use 30%. It is antibacterial, antifungal, it prevents yeasts and so on, whatever. So it's one of those absolutely amazing oils. Castor oil is the only plant-based oil, the only oil that's got ricinoleic acid in it. So it's a very unique oil. It's worth it to just go and do a little bit more research into it. It's anti-inflammatory like nothing else. So it's one of those amazing stuff. Okay, then we're going to use beeswax. You can omit this one completely if you want to. I've tried the recipe first with 10% beeswax, but it was a little bit too hot, too skittish. It didn't apply nice and smoothly. So I reduced it to 3%. This provides some barrier protection. Now this is all our heated fries ingredients. We're just going to make a double boiler. We're going to add a little bit of water in a pot, and then we're going to melt down our ingredients. As soon as everything is melted down, just give it a quick stir. Then we're going to add our zinc oxide. Now zinc oxide, we're going to use 11%. Zinc oxide is used to treat minor abrasions, burns, diaper rash, insect bites, all kinds of minor skin irritations. So I like to add it in there to just help to treat. It's not really protection, but if there is something growing there, then it will help it to heal and soothe as well. Then in our cool down phase, you will have to mix your mixture until it starts to trace. If you stop mixing it too early, then the zinc oxide is going to settle at the bottom of the beaker. So as soon as you've got your trace, then you can add your cool down ingredients. Now lavender essential oil is one of those very gentle essential oils. I'm going to use 0.5%. It's naturally soothing. It's also antiseptic. 0.5% in 100 gram batch is around about 10 to 12 drops. It's so little, it's really hard to really measure it if you don't have a very accurate scale for that. Then something else I like to add is vitamin E oil, which is an antioxidant, also at 0.5%. This just helps to extend the shelf life of our product. It helps to stay the oils and the fats fresh for longer. And that is it. You're going to just keep on stirring it. Make sure everything is mixed in nicely. And you can decant it into a little container that you want to gift it in or want to store it in. And that's it. That is the whole ins and out of our little container of our Tallow Baby Barrier cream. If you do not know how to render beef fat into tallow, I will leave a link in the description. I've got a video there that shows you exactly how to do it, how to purify your tallow. And then you should be good to go. I just want to say thank you for your support. Please like and subscribe and do the notification bell. And then I will see you guys in the next video again next year. So keep well and stay safe.